Good day. On today's video I will show you how to treat wood, any type of wood, so like that you won't have any moisture coming in, you won't have any insects, it will be protected for years and years and years. So if you want to build a tree house, if you want to do a fence, anything you want to do, well, use this and you will see it will save you a lot of money. That technique I will show you now has been used thousands of years ago by the Romans when they used to build their forts, but it's most commonly known by the Japanese. Obviously I know I won't say it right, so I will write it on the video, that technique. Basically it's very good if you want to prevent any insect coming in or rot. For a job like that, what we will need, very easy, if you got a very small piece of wood, you can use a torch like this one. Personally, I will use a bigger one, because I will do it on trees, okay? As well, I will use this to remove the bark from the tree, but if you use a plank, obviously, you won't need that, okay? So as you can see, very, very straightforward. Let's start. Time to remove the bark. We are nearly done with the debarking, and I would strongly advise you to do it. Why? Because when you cut the tree, the bark obviously will be stuck on the tree, but over time it would fall. So the best, what I've done on my case, I've cut it, I've let it a couple of months to dry up a bit, and then it's much easier for the bark to fall, okay? And now we'll be left with the tree as it is, and we'll be able to treat it and use it for what we want. I've now finished to remove all the bark. So because we've got a raw tree, now if you want to, you can remove all these little bits, or some people can leave it as well, just for it to be a bit more natural. As the tree is a bit dirty, now we can use a brush. If you got a metal brush, better, and you go and you clean it nicely. And then we'll start the burning. I've burned the entire tree, very happy with that. So now at that stage, if you've got a metallic brush, that would be fantastic. I've got one, but I don't know where I left it, so it doesn't matter. I've got some wire wool like this, and I will put it all over the tree. And you will see that by doing that, it will become nice and smooth, beautifully. So from that, we'll be nearly done. Now I will place on it a bit of linseed oil, but this is totally optional. You really don't have to do this. I do this just to finish it, just to make it look a bit shinier, better. But as it is, it's protected. I'm now ready with my pole. As you have seen, it's quite easy to do. It's very cheap because the wood, we've got it here, so the cost is next to nothing. And I'm ready now to place it in the earth to raise this a little bit more. Obviously I've got a bit more to do, but no worries. It's a bit of time, but the job is done and it's cheap. That's what matters. So I hope that you have liked the video. Subscribe to the channel if it's not done so, and we'll see each other in the next one soon. Take care.